I'm going to give you some hint for math problem from textbook in your assignments because your homework uh, is so heavy duty in this class, so it doesn't matter that I do two or three problems for you for each chapter. Let's look at the chapter 3, page 150. Change to percent equivalence. That means this number, these two number. How to change these two number, this number and this number into percentage in Excel. Actually, it's very easy. I already did it, but I do it again now. In Excel, you choose a cell and you type in 0.7 and you 0.7 and you select it. Look at here. Here there is a percent in sign here. You just click this one. You get 7%. This is the decimal. If you want more decimal point, you just click this one. You got 2 decimal point. If you want less decimal point, you just click this one. Oh, no decimal point. For this one, it's 5/6. How to change this into percent? You just here. You choose a cell. You type equal. Remember, type equal 5/. This is the hour sign in Excel. Division sign in Excel. 6 type return. You got this one, but this is not percent. Percentage. You just choose it and click on the percent sign. Oh, you got percent. If you want 1 decimal point, 2. Okay, and change to decimal point or decimal equivalent. This number is expressed as percentage. How to change it into a decimal, a number with decimal? Actually, it's very easy. You choose this, click on this cell. That means you select this number, and you come here and click the number. Oh, you got a decimal number. If you want one more decimal, you just click this one. Okay, and for this one, the same. You click on this cell and you select this number, and you come here, click number. You got a decimal number. You want one more decimal point. You got it. Okay. Go back to okay. Change to fraction equivalent. So that means this is a percentage. Change this percentage into a fraction equivalent. How to do it? Okay, actually this number is equal to 12 times 2 plus 1. This is the numerator. Put a parenthesis for it. Over 2 percent. Percent means over 100. You got this one. But this one is not a fraction. You just come over here and correct fraction. Oh, you got a over a. So what? Why it is? Oh, yeah, you got 1 over a. I calculate this before is one also. This one is not right. This one is. Let's clean up this one. Okay. So for chapter 3, page 152. This problem. A property owner sells a house for 127,000 and pay off all outstanding mortgages. If actually it shall be if she has this amount cash left from this transaction and the money is invested at 5% interest rate per year for 18 months, how much interest does he earn? This problem might confuse you at first because we just learned simple interest, compound interest. So what formula am I going to use? Actually, this is a simple interest problem because it doesn't tell you that compound monthly, compound annual, compound quarterly. So for calculating the interest, how much interest does he earn? Just use the simple interest formula. This one. The principal is this one, and the annual interest rate is 5%, and 18 months is how many year? 18 months is how many year? Because T is year, in year, how many year? So 18 months is 80 over 12 year. 1 point some number year. It's not 1 year, 1 point something year. So you just put the number in this formula, you got the answer. The other way to use this formula is the principal P is this amount, and the R we use monthly interest because annual interest is 5%, so monthly interest shall be 5% divided by 12 monthly interest. And the T it means period. How many periods? 18 months. So we have the same result. The interesting point for this for this problem, I just want to go a little bit further. How about if the money, the investment is compound monthly, so we need to use this formula, compound interest formula, and the I click this cell. This is the result. I click this cell and calculate the accumulate amount. It is the principal times 1 plus the annual interest rate divide by 12, and the compounding period is 18. So we got the accumulate amount. The interest earned is the accumulate amount minus the principal. So we got this number. So if no compounding, simple interest, the interest the property owner earn is this amount. If compound interest monthly, the owner got this amount, a little bit bigger. Problem 89. What is the interest on a business loan for 6,500 at 9.5% interest per year, paid in 7 months? So again, the interest, use this formula again. This is simple interest formula. The principal, the P, is 6,500, and the annual interest rate is 9.5%. T, remember, must be expressed as year. So 7 months. How many years? For 7 months, you just use 7 over 12. It might be 0 point something years, but this is the tool or the flavor how you calculate, not a whole year, 0 point something year or 1 point something year. So you got this number.